Hi guys, it's Jamie here, and for today's journal page we're going to do quite a quick design. I've got an offcut of the pretty vintage kit that I know is going to fit, and we're going to decorate this offcut before we put it to the page. Here I've got a dictionary page, fold it diagonally and tear, but freehand tear along that edge. We're going to set it so that it just covers two top corners of that page. I will edge things, I think this time in vintage photo. Not much of this will actually end up going on here. And onto the opposite corner, the bottom of here, I'm going to place 3 elements like that. I'm not sure about that one because you can't see it. We need a different element. I like these two, and I like the fact there's a bit of colour on this. So what I will do with this one is I'm going to use some scraps of napkin to cover over the words. And I'll do the same at the top here. I've put a layer of Mod Podge over the top. I'm now going to add these elements. Today's journaling question is, what is stagnant in your life? Why is it stagnant and how can you change it? I've put the most obvious thing is friendships and being social. In the last 3 to 4 years I've become very isolated. However, with my plans to move to Portugal, this is quite deliberate. The second thing would be eating better and getting out re-exercise. To change this, I just need to organise my time better and make it more of a priority. Now I filled that in, I'm going to place it on here. I filled it in before placing it on because it's just easier to write on. That's the first few days of the journaling into the Smashbook and all the page designs done. Because I've done the Midori style fastening, really simple to put it into the cover, and we're good to go on the next set of pages. If you have enjoyed this video and you're on YouTube, please do all the YouTubey things. Like, share, subscribe, comment. If you are subscribed, please also hit the notifications bell. Don't forget to check out the Facebook group, which has grown from 700 to 17,000 in 3 to 4 months. Link is in the video description, as is the link for Creator Club, which has exclusive printables and exclusive tutorials. And I will see you next time.